Hello, my name is Kushagra Shrivastava and I lead Android apps and games marketing. Today, I'll be talking about how you can keep your users engaged and coming back. Larry Page, our CEO, once quoted, "Products should be like toothbrush. Users should use them at least twice a day. Building great product is the key, but to ensure your users love and use the product is critical." In a recent survey, we found that 40% of the users only use an app for a week. Nobody wants to be an app or game which has hundreds of thousands of installs but very few active users. To avoid this, you need to be smart about marketing. And marketing always starts with the product. In this talk, we have laid out few basic principles that will help you keep your users excited, engaged, and coming back for more. Here are the 5 rules to help boost engagement. Rule number 1, let data drive the decisions. It is extremely important that you look at all key events in life cycle of your consumers to understand what is working and what is broken. You only can fix stuff once you know it is broken. There are various tools out there which can help you do that. Google Analytics is one of them. The Google Analytics engagement report helps you discover how visitors use your app. You can use this set of report to track a wide range of information about your users, including the total number of screens per visit, the order in which screens are viewed, the number of technical errors and app crashes, how often they return to the app, how long the sessions were, how long individual app elements take to load, and specific content actions which are unique to your app like social interaction, clicking on an ad, or recommendations. Data informs your product and marketing. Once you have the right data, you have actionable insights to make improvements and boost usage. The second rule is educate and immerse. For most first-time users, installing and opening an app is like going on a blind date. The first impression is the most important thing. Don't assume that users will figure out how your app or game works. Visually explain it to them and help them get started. Also tell them how to get help if they ever need it. The most basic thing you can do is to have a great welcome screen and build from there, leading to fun interactive tutorials, on-screen instructions, and more. This is your chance to get creative, test different messages, try new things. Number 3, understand the learning curve. Every user has a learning curve and understanding that is critical. At a macro level, it is important that you talk to the user at the right time. For example, if you are a game developer, don't tell users on how to use a new power play mode which they can only unlock after 30 hours of gameplay. That said, casually telling them that this is a power play mode which they can unlock is alright. Fourth principle, remind why users like your app. An app is not the center of the universe for most people. Well, for some die-hard fan it might be. That said, to keep user engaged and coming back, you have to remind them why they love your app and what are they missing out. Some app developers have used native Android features like rich notifications, widgets, lock screen widgets, live wallpapers to boost engagement, stickiness, and constantly bring users back to the app. Pulse is a great example. They leverage rich notifications to push new stories to the user on the home screen. Also, it is a great time for you to remind yourself that the objective is to keep users engaged and not spam them. These features can easily be an overkill and frustrating for the user. Use them smartly. The last principle that I'm going to talk about is to reward and bring your users back. Now that your product is doing the marketing for you, you need to look into the final aspect of retention and engagement, which is customer marketing and loyalty. Put your existing marketing channels like social media, in-app reward mechanism, emails, gamification, etc. to use based on the data you have seen. Reward the power users with something tangible, unique, and personal. It will help boost their morale to share your messages and keep them active. Overall, aim to boost the lifetime value of your users. At the end of the day, It is all about building apps and experiences which you yourself will like to use. And Gradually start a conversation with the user and make the experience personal. I hope this was useful, and thank you for watching.